In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove WPS Office as default in PC or laptop. Welcome, and thank you for watching. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple workaround you can use to control how your Office files open on your computer. This method is useful if you want to decide whether a specific file should open using WPS Office or another program, without changing system settings in a complicated way. To begin, locate the Office file you want to open using WPS Office. This can be a document, spreadsheet, or presentation stored anywhere on your PC or laptop. Once you find a file, right-click on it to open the context menu. From the list of options, click on Properties. This will open a new window that displays detailed information about the selected file. Inside the Properties window, look for the section labeled Opens With. Here, you will see the program that is currently set to open this specific file type by default. This lets you confirm which application your computer is using right now. Next to this section, you will see a button labeled Change. Click on this button to modify the program associated with the file. After clicking Change, a list of available programs will appear. From this list, choose WPS Office. If WPS Office is already installed on your computer, it should appear as an option. Once you select it, click OK to confirm your choice. Then click OK again to close the Properties window and apply the change. As soon as the setting is applied, you will notice that the file icon changes. This visual change indicates that the file is now associated with WPS Office instead of the previous program. From this point on, whenever you double-click this file, it will open using WPS Office. This approach allows you to manage how individual files open without setting WPS Office as the default program for all Office file types. It gives you flexibility and control, especially if you use multiple Office applications on your PC or laptop. You can repeat this same process for other files whenever you want to change how they open. Using this workaround helps you avoid unwanted default behavior while still allowing WPS Office to open the files you choose. Take a moment to test the file by opening it to confirm everything works as expected. That is how you can remove WPS Office as the default and manually control how your Office files open on a PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.